Hey guys, Aaron here from BitBranding, gonna walk you through on how to reply to questions on Instagram stories and even how to use those. So we're gonna talk about how to use them and how to reply to Instagram story questions. Really fun feature. Okay, let's jump in. All right, so make sure that you go to your Instagram app. I'm gonna delete that here, okay? I'm gonna move over to my personal profile because I actually have some questions going on right now. You wanna go to your left-hand side, top left-hand corner, and make sure to click the camera button. That'll take you to stories. And you would click on that button. You would go to the smiley face and you would click on the question button. You could say, how is your day going? Okay? Then just post that on your story. You can make that bigger or smaller, however you want to do it. Click on the bottom left-hand corner where your face is at, or your profile picture, click your story. It's posted now. And if you get people who respond to the story, you'll get something that looks like this. I asked the question earlier. Name this song and artist. People will respond. When they do, this person will come up here and they'll say who it was. And you can click the button, this little black button right here. It says reply, click that. And you can message them privately or share the response. And this will actually share it onto the profile. So I'm gonna take a picture and say, you're right. But what I'm not gonna do, I will post this just so you guys can see it. Actually, I won't post it because I don't want her to get notified, but I would put something like, you're right, you can respond in any way, and nobody knows who the person is who gave this answer unless you shout them out. But the person who did ask the question will be notified. So you click on your story, it would be posted to your story, and that person would be notified. If you had multiple inside of here, which I don't think that I have any right now that I can pull up, but if you had multiple inside of here, you actually could see probably 10, 15, 20 different responses, and you could reply to all of them. Once you get inside of here, you could also go left or right and toggle between the amount of questions that you have so that you can easily answer those questions on your story. This is great for your Instagram engagement. If you're a business owner, this is super crucial because it allows you to interact with your audience. It allows you to direct message those people and allows those people to interact with your stories, which means that Instagram's like, hey, these people are interacting with you. I'm gonna show more of your stuff to those people. All right, hope you enjoyed that little tutorial. And if you have any questions about that, just please leave a comment below. We're happy to answer them. All right, if you enjoyed this tutorial on how to ask questions on Instagram stories, make sure that you subscribe, make sure you hit that bell, and check out the rest of our tutorials in this series.